Today we will be reviewing the 5 best laptops for engineering students. The laptops on the list are chosen based on the needs of engineering students, such as high performance for higher calculation and using CAD or CAM software. So the laptops need a powerful GPU to handle these high demanding tasks. Battery life is another crucial factor that we took into consideration while selecting these laptops. Because students need to be able to do their tasks uninterrupted. On the other hand, as high performance as the laptop should be, the weight must not be too heavy to carry around. On these parameters, we selected the laptops that we are going to review to win this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button. Without any further ado, let's get into it. At number 1 we have Asus ZenBook Pro Duo. This laptop is one of the best laptops currently available in the market, not only for engineering students, for anyone I would say. The laptop is a champ in any given department. You can use it as a workstation, art station, or gaming machine. A truly impressive machine. The laptop has 2 displays, now you know why there's a Duo in the name. Both displays are 4K. The bottom screen that you will find above the keyboard is 14 inches and touch screen. So there is endless ways to customize the tools. The design of the laptop is quite impressive too. I like the cutting-edge modern approach. The laptop doesn't bend at the absolute end, instead there's a little bump after you fully open the panels. So that's a nifty little feature. Here are the specifications. Main display 15.60 LED touch display. Resolution 3840 x 2160. Processor Intel Core i9-10980HK. GPU NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070. RAM 32 GB. Storage 1 TB PCIe. Weight 5.16 pounds. So as you can tell from the specification alone, the laptop is an absolute beast. There are few features that are really amazing and handy, like the laptop comes with a stylus that has buttons and everything. With the trackpad you can turn it into numpad with a single press of a button. There are few versions of the laptop, buy the one that you need. You can find an RTX 2060 version. I don't know why you would choose that over 3070, but it's there if you need it. Number 2 on our list is Dell XPS 15. Comes with a 15-inch Full HD display. The bezel around the display is so small that it looks almost bezel-less. The laptop has rounded edges, which is okay I guess. You get a keyboard and a touchpad which is bigger than usual. The palm rest are made of carbon fiber. I don't know how carbon fiber gonna help in any way other than adding to the cost. If you know, definitely let me know in the comment section. The laptop has a quad speaker design with Waves NX audio. So listening to music should be a good experience. Here are the specifications. Standing screen display size 15 inches. Processor Intel Core i7 10th Gen. RAM 16 GB. GPU 1660 Ti 4 GB. Hard drive 512 GB SSD. You get almost all the features that a laptop should have. There's even a fingerprint scanner at the top right corner. You get no numpad, which is understandable. My biggest complaint about this laptop would be the design department. If I am spending that much money on a device, it should look good. All other laptops on this list are good looking, even a few of them have one of the best designs altogether. Other than that, the laptop is capable of doing some heavy lifting jobs, like calculating or render or graphics intensive tasks, thanks to the powerful 1660 Ti. Number 3 on the list is HP Spectre X360 15T. T laptop is the most good looking laptop on this list. The cutting edge design with the rose gold plating on the edge looks cool. The aerodynamic shape of the laptop is great. Definitely looks the part. The 15.6-inch display is bright. The right amount that you need. You'll love the 15.6 diagonal 4K 340 nits, 3840 x 2160, IPS Micro Edge Bright View WLED backlit touchscreen that brings your videos and photos to life. It also includes Bang & Olufsen quad speakers, HP audio boost, and custom tuning by the experts at Bang & Olufsen. Entertainment comes to life with sound you can feel. Here are the specifications. Intel 10th Gen Core i7-10750H hexa-core processor. NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti with Max-Q design, 4GB. 16GB DDR4 RAM. 512GB M.2 SSD. This laptop also has a fingerprint reader. Although the specification sounds great on paper, this laptop lacks in performance quite a bit. The other options in this range beat this one quite comfortably. But if you are someone that prioritizes design over performance, then this is the laptop you would wanna pick up. Cause as I said earlier, this is the most good-looking laptop I have seen in a while. At number 4 we have Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5. 14 convertible laptop. 14-inch FHD, 1920x1080, IPS touchscreen with narrow bezels delivers clear, crisp images. Enjoy great sound with 2x2W speakers with Dolby Audio. The 360-hinge lets you quickly convert this 2-in-1 laptop from a notebook to a tablet. Put it in any position you like for creativity, sharing, or binging streaming media. The look of the laptop is great. I like the matte gray finishing on the back. In the I/O department, 2 USB-A, 1 USB-C, HDMI, a 4-in-1 card reader, and an audio jack. If you are still wondering, yes, this is the budget option. Here is the specification. 10th generation Intel Core i5-1035G1 processor. Intel UHD graphics. 8GB memory. And 128GB SSD storage. This laptop has an AMD version of the hardware. If you are interested. This laptop will not perform great if you are doing graphically intensive works, cause there is no dedicated GPU included. You will do day-to-day work just fine. The laptop will boot up and launch apps fast cause of the SSD. At number 5 we have MSI Creator 17. The laptop has 17. 144Hz thin bezel FHD, IPS level 100% sRGB. And the specs are amazing. This machine is a total beast. You can do almost everything on this device without facing any issues. You can run any CAD or CAM software without any problem, and the render time should be much less than any other device. The laptop has a nice metallic design. The thin bezel is actually thin. You will not notice it while using the laptop. The keyboard is backlit. And you will have a 720 webcam. The laptop has a 144Hz display, so if you play FPS games, this laptop will help you rank up in no time, that's for sure. So here is the specification. Core i7-10875H 2.3-5.1 GHz Intel 9560 Jefferson Peak, 2x2 and 211 AC. 512GB NVMe SSD 16GB, 8G*2, DDR4 2400 MHz 2 sockets, max memory 64GB. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 6GB DDR6. As you can tell, the laptop is pretty packed. RTX 2060 still performs just fine, but 3060 would have been better. The only complaint about this laptop is that the sound system is not up to mark. But overall this is a very good one. Now there are few things to remember when shopping for this laptop. That this laptop has an integrated mobile GPU. Sure, it is the latest tech and all, but the performance won't be that good of a dedicated one. Other than that, the laptop is a great pick and value for money. So there you go, 5 laptops that is suitable for engineering students. All these laptops weigh around 5 to 6 pounds, so carrying around won't be a problem. And you will get at least 3 hours of battery backup, up to 67 hours with some of the models. I suggest you do more research before you decide to buy a laptop. Because all these laptops deserve a separate video and even in-depth review, but we tried to mention the key factors that we thought you need to know before you decide to buy one. That's all for today. See you again very soon. Peace.